Welcome back. Now, in a roast and a sharp geopolitical jab, AIMIM chief and Hyderabad MP Asaduddin Owaisi has also taken a jibe at Pakistan over the recent blunder involving a misfired photo op. Now, speaking at the Indian diaspora in Kuwait, Owaisi ridiculed Pakistan's attempt to present an old Chinese military drill photo as an evidence of victory over India. He has mocked Pakistani Prime Minister, he's mocked Asim Munir, calling them stupid jokers trying to compete with India. Owaisi delivered a biting punchline saying कि नकल करने के लिए भी अकल चाहिए, इनके पास तो अक्ल भी नहीं है, showing Pakistan's lack of originality in these actions.
Yesterday, the Pakistani army chief had gifted a photo to the Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. President of Pakistan was there, the Speaker of National Assembly was there. And these stupid jokers, they want to compete with India. They had given a photograph of a 2019 Chinese army drill, claiming it's a victory over India. Now this is what Pakistan indulges in. They cannot even give a proper photograph. Just imagine that your own country's Prime Minister, President, Speaker of National Assembly is there. Your so-called Mr. Field Marshal is there, and the Field Marshal gives a photograph of a Pakistani Chinese drill of PHL-03 in 2019. So this is what Pakistan indulges in. And that is why you must not, whatever Pakistan is saying, don't even take it with a pinch of salt. Rely on what our foreign ministry is saying, our official spokesperson are saying.
Well, at least this time, few leaders from the opposition have been giving some fantastic statements, at least those who are actually part of these multiple delegations.
After an 88-hour conflict, most of the country has gone back to normal. There was certainly a desire on the part of the terrorists to provoke communal tensions in India between the Hindu and Muslim communities. That failed spectacularly. All communities rallied around in a very united manner. And what was again very effective was that in the briefings that the Indian government and the Indian military gave every day during these 4 days of conflict, two of the military officers doing the briefing were women officers, and one of them was a Muslim, which sent a very clear message to the world or anyone who was watching that this is not about Hindu-Muslim or anything like that. This is about terrorism and terrorist enablers versus democratic India.
Well, Pragya, it's good to see such kind of statements, of course rare, but coming in from the opposition leaders who are especially part of the delegations.
Absolutely, and look at this exercise that they are doing right now. Irrespective of the political party they belong from, they are part of the delegation that India has sent. And in fact, what are they doing? They are telling the world what Pakistan stands for. And in fact, these are the voices, some voices from their own parties have been used by Pakistan against India. Like many of the Rahul Gandhi statements have been used by Pakistan against India during this particular episode. And, these leaders are from the same parties. Speaking about India, speaking how Pakistan stands for terrorism and it's bread and butter. The terrorism is bread and butter of Pakistan. These kind of statements have been used by multi-party delegates that have gone there. In fact, if you look at Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi, he's a Muslim face and he has been a staunch voice for the minority in the country, and he stood against.
He's been showing punchline after punchline there, Pragya. For the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Well, believe in fact, not in Pakistan's fakery. With that, we head into a short break.